สวัสดีครับ Today I will show you how to easily make Thai iced tea right at home. No more going out to expensive bubble tea place to satisfy your craving. First, you're going to need Thai tea leaves. We like to use Tra Mue brand. Second, you will need evaporated milk. And lastly, you will need condensed milk. I will also put the recipes and portion used down in the video description. Alright, let's get started. First, add 2 tablespoons of Thai tea leaves into the mixing cup. Then add 2 cups of hot water, give it a stir, then let it steep for about 4 minutes. Next, grab a fine strainer to filter out all the tea leaves. If you have tea filter, that's even better. Then add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, and if you like your Thai iced tea to be sweeter, you can also add sugar as optional. Since I don't want my Thai tea to be too sweet, I won't be add any. Mix them together, then your Thai tea base is ready. You can store it in the refrigerator. It can last up to 7 days, but I'm sure it won't last that long. When you're ready to drink, just grab a glass of ice and pour the Thai tea base into it. Don't fill it all the way because you want to leave some room for evaporated milk on top. Give it a final stir and your Thai iced tea is ready to be served. Let me know in the comment which recipes you would like to see next, and enjoy!